learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
A cartoonist and inventor par excellence, Mr. Liu Xingqin is the man behind some of Taiwan's best-known comic creations, notably the cartoon characters Da Shenpo and Ah San Ge. His inventions have also gained Mr. Liu international plaudits. He personally holds the patents for 160 items, including the self-learning language machine. You can visit the Liu Xingqin Comic Museum in Neiwan, Hsinchu County, and see the creations of this talented man firsthand.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. And with Leo next to me, we can go more in depth about the Hakka culture, about the arts, festivals, and maybe even people. 今天呢，希望 Leo 呢可以多介绍一些这个客家文化，尤其是客家有名的人士们。
哦，可以啊，没问题。我前一阵子有去新竹，我来介绍一个新竹的一位很有名的大师。
OK，
他叫做刘兴琴。
刘兴琴，这感觉好像有点耳熟能详的感觉。
我问你，你喜欢看漫画吗？
漫画 ，cartoons， of course， yeah。
那你可能看过他的漫画，他是个漫画家哦。
漫画家 ，OK，so he's a cartoonist， he's an illustrator。
那你关心一些很有创意的小东西吗？
对，会。
他也是一位发明家。
发明家就是 inventor， 发明家了。
对，发明家。
Oh, he's also an inventor. Wow, this is a very important person.
他就是刘兴清刘大师。
我为什么没想到？对啦，刘兴清 ，I've heard of him, and I think I have read some of his comics. 他是不是有一个漫画是跟什么大婶什么东西有关系吗？
对，太寿婆。
太寿婆 ，Yeah, that's a very famous cartoon from him. That was developed by him. 刘兴清，
对，刘兴琴。
刘兴琴，
我问你啊，你一般在路上看到的那路标是不是都很单调，
对，
方方正正的？但是如果你去了那个新竹的内湾哦，你就会看到那个路标都是卡通人物造型的，很可爱的。
那就是刘兴清去设计出来的。
对，他们的那个漫画的人物。
Okay, so if you want to discover more stuff that's developed by Liu Xingqin right here, whether it be his cartoons or his inventions, you can actually go to a town in Hsinchu. It's called Neiwan. In fact, even all the road signs over there when you walk in are so unconventional. They're all designed by Liu Xingqin, so they're very cartoon-like and lively and cute at the same time. 所以呢，一进入到内湾，就好比是进入刘兴清的世界那种感觉。
对，到处都可以看到那个太寿婆啦、阿三公啦那些
太好了！改天一定要去拜访了。So there you go. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么Hakka？
安子 say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.